In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove layers from PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever received a PDF where certain graphics or text can be shown or hidden, that's because the file uses layers. Flattening those layers removes the layering structure so everything becomes part of a single, consistent view. This is helpful for sharing, archiving, or printing, and it prevents others from toggling content on and off. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. It's important that you're using the Pro version because the flatten feature isn't available in the free reader. Once your document is open, we need to bring up the Layers panel so you can see and manage any existing layers. Go to the top menu and choose View, then Show Hide, then Navigation Panes, and select Layers. If the panel was hidden, it will now appear, usually along the left side with your other navigation panes. With the Layers panel visible, look for its Options menu. You'll find it by clicking the small icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the panel. If you don't see that icon, you can also right-click inside the Layers panel to open the same menu. From that Options menu, choose Flatten Layers. Acrobat will process the document and convert all visible layer content into standard page content. The look of your pages should remain the same, but the structure that allowed elements to be toggled or rearranged is removed. A quick note on what this means. Flattening is essentially permanent once you save. The visual appearance is preserved, but the layer controls and metadata are gone. If you think you might need those layers later, consider keeping a backup of the original file before flattening. Also, if you open the Layers panel after flattening, you'll notice there are no layer entries to expand or hide. That's how you can tell the process worked. When you're satisfied, save your PDF. Use File and then Save to overwrite the current file. If you want to keep both versions, choose Save As and give the flattened copy a new name. After saving, your document will behave like a standard, non-layered PDF, making it easier to share and ensuring consistent viewing and printing on other devices. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF, reveal the Layers panel, use the Options menu to flatten the layers, and save your file. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your PDFs with confidence.